Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring power and software are ready. Charge both AirPods Pro and the case above 50%. Once done, update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS so sensors run current firmware. Open the charging case next to the device and press the rear setup button when prompted. Follow the on-screen pairing animation. Make sure automatic ear detection is enabled in Bluetooth settings so the optical sensors can register placement immediately and you can proceed to configure controls. Now configure how the sensors behave and why each option matters. In Bluetooth settings, tap the AirPods Pro entry and assign 4 sensor actions. Single press for play/pause, double press for next, triple for previous, long press to toggle noise control. This maps physical input to expected outcomes. Enable automatic ear detection to let optical sensors pause audio when you remove and bud. Finally, run the ear tip fit test to confirm an acoustic seal. Good seal improves sensor accuracy and noise cancellation performance. Finish by verifying behavior through real use and knowing how to recover if something breaks. Test each squeeze pattern and remove one bud to ensure audio pauses. Check noise control toggling. If sensors act up, forget the device in Bluetooth. Place both AirPods in case. Hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white, and repair. One quick troubleshooting tip. Gently clean the optical sensor and mesh with a dry, soft brush. Debris often blocks detection and causes false readings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.